Top 5 plants for increasing oxygen. For those suffering from a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, the desire for more oxygen can be a demanding one. Although there are options available for increasing oxygen through means such as oxygenators and air purifiers, there are a variety of natural alternatives for increasing air quality that is beneficial for both body and mind. The Lung Health Institute believes the home should foster an environment of good health and well-being, and with your health in mind, we've compiled a list of the top 5 plants for increasing oxygen indoors. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Areca Palm. As with all plants, the Areca palm is biologically engineered to take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. However, what sets the Areca palm apart is its ability to also purify the environment it's placed in by removing dangerous chemicals such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. Recommendation and care. The Areca palm does well in filtered light and needs to be watered often. For one person, 4 shoulder-high plants should suffice. Best placement. The living room. 2. Snake plant, a.k.a. mother-in-law's tongue. Considered highly efficient in oxygen production, the snake plant, otherwise known as the mother-in-law's tongue, is unique for its nighttime oxygen production and ability to purify air through the removal of benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. Recommendation and care. The snake plant does well in window light and needs to be watered weekly. For one person, 6 to 8 waist-level plants are recommended. In an air-sealed room, these plants are capable of producing enough oxygen to breathe normally. Best placement. The bedroom. 3. Money plant. Featured by NASA, the money plant is renowned for its ability to remove chemicals and other pollutants from the air, specifically benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. However, despite the benefit of its high purification rate, this plant is toxic to cats, dogs, and small children if its leaves are ingested. Recommendation and care. The money plant prefers indirect light and needs to be watered every week or so. For one person, 3 18-inch plants are recommended. Best placement. Any room, but keep out of reach of pets or small children. 4. Gerbera daisy, Gerbera Jamesonii. Arguably the prettiest entry on the list, the Gerbera daisy is often used as a decorative element in gardening. However, the Gerbera daisy is also distinct for its ability to produce high levels of oxygen at night while removing harmful chemicals, such as benzene and trichloroethylene. Beneficial for those suffering from sleep apnea and breathing disorders, keep this one on the nightstand for better sleep. Recommendation and care. The Gerbera daisy prefers bright sunlight during the summer, spring and fall, and indirect light during the winter. It needs to be watered regularly with the soil being kept moist. Due to the decorative nature of the flower, the amount of recommended flower pots is up to the discretion of the planter. Best placement. The bedroom. 5. Chinese evergreens. The Chinese evergreen is one of the most common household plants, and for good reason. This plant emits a high oxygen content while purifying indoor spaces of harmful chemicals such as benzene, formaldehyde, and other toxins. As its name suggests, it is quite popular in China specifically for its high efficiency in removing harmful pollutants from the air. Recommendation and care. The Chinese evergreen does well in full shade and only needs to be watered occasionally with a focus on keeping the soil moist. The number of plants kept is at the owner's discretion. Best placement. The living room. Along with the top 5 plants for increasing oxygen, what else can I do to breathe easier? Although keeping oxygen-generating plants, such as our top 5 plants for increasing oxygen, may increase the quality of life for those suffering from COPD, they are not a form of treatment. And though indoor plants may ease the symptoms of COPD, they will be ineffective when outside the home or workplace. Currently, COPD has no cure. However, new discoveries are being made every day in the field of cellular research. As the scientific community continues to put their best minds to the task of solving the problems and complications of the human body, the Lung Health Institute will continue to bring these advancements to the public with the hope of bettering quality of life. If you're looking to make a profound change in your life or the life of someone you love, the time is now. If you or a loved one suffers from COPD, emphysema, pulmonary fibrosis, or another lung disease, the Lung Health Institute may be able to help with a variety of cellular treatment options. Thinking about starting an indoor plant collection? Have a few suggestions of your own? We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and comments on our list of the top 5 plants for increasing oxygen below. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.